How to create RSVP link for wedding. This tutorial will show you the easiest way to make a professional wedding RSVP form using Google Forms. First, open your browser and search for Google Forms. Then open the official Google Forms website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Forms, go to the template gallery and select the RSVP template. This gives you a ready-made wedding RSVP form that you can fully customize. Now, start by editing the title of your form with your wedding name or event title. Below that, you can add your wedding venue address, event details, contact number, or any important information for your guests. Next, customize the RSVP questions. Keep the main question as "Can you attend?" and add answer choices like "Yes, I'll be there," or "Sorry, I can't make it." After that, make sure the guest name section is marked as required, so everyone entering the form has to add their names. You can also add extra wedding RSVP questions, like meal preferences, number of guests, special requests, or comments. Oh, to add more questions. Now, if you want your RSVP form to look more professional, open the Customize Theme option. From here, you can change fonts, colors, and even upload a wedding photo or venue image as the header. One important setting you should change is inside Settings. Turn off Collect email addresses and also disable Limit to One response. This allows anyone to open the wedding RSVP link without signing into a Google account. Once everything looks good, click Publish, choose anyone with the link, then copy your RSVP link and send it to your wedding guests. Whenever someone fills out the form, you'll see all responses directly inside Google Forms, and you can even connect it to Google Sheets for easier guest management. And that's how to create a wedding RSVP link online for free using Google Forms.